Good evening. Who is your daddy? Crypto daddy. Here I am. Smash that like button and let's make some money, baby. All right, guys. We're in extreme greed mode. It's 82% over here. We got Bitcoin at 44,000. Everything is looking nice. Finger licking butter chicken. I like that. I stole that from Crypto Gains. Shout out to you, bro, if you're watching. But yeah, market's doing good, man. I got one token here that basically hasn't pumped fucking 5, 10, 20x like the rest of all the ones that me and all my loyal patrons have been making tons of money off of. We're making profits, baby. If you're not in the patron, you got to smack that button down there and get in. $5 to get in the patron, and you'll be making these gains with us. And that's no promises, and that's not financial advice. You guys don't have to buy none of these tokens. But today I'm going to bring you guys a token right here that hasn't pumped 10 billion% like all the other ones have. And maybe it's a really risky project, but I think it can potentially do 100x if they follow through on their promises. So without further ado, here it is. Seascape Crowns. And like I said, definitely don't buy this token just because I said anything. Darn thing pulled back today, 44 cents. It just was at, if you look at the monthly here, it's just fired out on the monthly right here. Like all the other tokens, all of October and all of November have been pumping this thing. If you look at the yearly, hasn't done anything that entire time. It just finally pumped out of that. And if you look, it pumped all the way from 26 cents all the way to 67 cents. That's a 2.5x. And it did it just like that. It did it in like 2 days. And so this thing finally has life. It's basically went through an entire consolidation phase. It's starting to cup. Like these are higher highs right here, and you'd probably guess this will be another higher high, and you'll probably have one more opportunity at like 42 cents, 43 cents if you see this soon enough before this thing starts another rip upward, and it'll probably double up again, probably about 80, 90 cents. It'll be up there. And like I said, not financial advice, but at a 2 million market cap, this thing could easily cook, guys. And if you looked at the all-time chart, this thing, like it's at 45 cents, $4.50 is fucking all the way down here, guys. That's a 10x. And the next one up is the 100x would be up here. It would have done 100x. It was 100x, probably like 120 from where it's at right now. So there's definitely some room to grow with this, and it's only a 10 million max supply. So this bad boy over here, if they do succeed, could probably see $100. That's a 200x. You could potentially see $100 if they follow through on everything that they're doing. Look in their platform, check out everything that they're doing in there. Their website right here, nice looking website. You could stake and get a nice APY. They've got Moon River and Moonbeam. All this stuff is involved in their platform. It's on the BNB Smart chain, so super cheap to buy it. Super cheap. Get a MetaMask wallet. Buy it on the Pancake Swap. Like I said, I'm not telling you to buy. Do your own research. Completely do your own research because it is risky. This could just not work out at all. But I looked at their Twitter, and they are active on their Twitter. They've got a decent amount of followers, like 100K on there, like 12,000 on Telegram. So yeah, dude, 2 million market cap, which is mega small, and even the fully diluted isn't that high. It's only double what this is. Some fully diluteds are like 77 million when you see like a little market cap like this. So definitely do your research soon, because still we're down 95% on the all on this bad boy right here. And the all, that would only put it right here would be the right here would be the all from where it started out. So you probably don't have long if you want to jump on an opportunity like this. Like I said, I'm gonna make this video about this one right here. I'm making these videos short because my computer starts freaking out. But right in here, if you looked in here, they have all these different games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They've got 7 games in here. You guys, like I said, you guys could stake in here. They have the Seascape DAO. A lot of cool things that you guys could do with this. Look through here yourself. You can get NFTs in here. Available on ETH, BSC, and Moon River right here. So check it all out for yourself, and definitely check out their Discord and their Telegram, because you can see if the people in there are real and actually talk to people, ask questions about it. If you guys are trying to get into a good project, it's definitely good for you guys to do that first. And these are all their partners, which these are all really good partners, especially Immutable X, which is like the leader of the fucking gaming industry right now. So check it out for yourself. If you got some value, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Can't wait to be part of your journey.